Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to design your Shopify store using AI tools so you can build a high-end studio aesthetic in minutes, automate your 2026 technical branding, and create a professional storefront that converts without needing to write a single line of code. Let's get into it. First, activate Sidekick and set your brand vision. The first step is initiating your Studio Copilot. In 2026, Shopify Sidekick is the mechanical necessity for store design. It acts as a strategic operator that understands your professional goals and can candidly implement changes across your entire theme. Log into your Shopify admin and click the Sidekick icon in the top right corner. Type a prompt to establish your vision, such as, "I am building a high-end technical tutorial store." Set a sophisticated brand voice and a modern minimalist layout. Sidekick analyzes your prompt and sets the studio guardrails for your colors, fonts, and tone. This ensures your 2026 software tutorials are presented in a cohesive, professional environment from the very start. Next, follow the Sidekick Setup to-do list. Once you've shared your vision, Sidekick will technicality analyze what your store needs to become a functional studio and provide you with a structured roadmap. Look at the Sidekick chat window. The AI will suggest a to-do list to set up your store, including essential tasks like naming your store, adding your first products, selecting a theme, and setting up your payments. You simply need to answer Sidekick's questions and follow its guided prompts for each item on the list. In 2026, you don't have to hunt through menus. By following the AI guides, you ensure every mechanical necessity, from 2026 bookkeeping settings to payment gateways, is configured correctly according to professional standards. Next, generate personalized theme blocks. One of the most powerful 2026 features is the ability to generate custom theme blocks just by describing them. This allows you to build a unique layout for your software tutorials that isn't restricted by standard templates. In the theme editor, use the Sidekick chat or the Magic Block tool. Give a specific technical prompt, like create a side-by-side feature block with an icon for instant download and a description for my Power BI guide. The AI generates the code in the background, candidly placing the block into your layout. This gives your technical video scripts a custom-built home without the amateur quality of a generic site. And that's pretty much it. To design your store with AI in 2026, activate Sidekick and follow its generated to-do list for store name, products, and payments. Use the AI guides to refine your theme and colors, and utilize Shopify Magic to enhance your product imagery to a studio standard. Finally, run an AI pre-launch audit to verify your technical details before publishing your professional 2026 storefront. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.